Imagine transforming raw data into powerful insights that drive business decisions. Power BI does just that, turning complex data into clear, actionable visuals. STL Training, a trusted Microsoft partner, ensures you harness this power effectively. With STL, you're not just learning Power BI, you're mastering it. Our courses cater to all skill levels, ensuring everyone from beginners to advanced users can unlock the full potential of data visualization. Choose from our range of Power BI courses. Power BI Explained, a half-day non-technical overview. Power BI Reporting, learn to build and publish visual reports. Power BI Report, designer for high-performance branded reports. Power BI Modeling, Visualization and Publishing, a 2-day deep dive. Power BI DAX, optimize performance with advanced formulas. Expand your skills beyond Power BI with STL's training in Power Platform and Microsoft Fabric. Build custom applications without extensive coding and manage data securely in the cloud, all within the Power Platform ecosystem. STL runs a regular public schedule and courses are never cancelled, offering flexible learning options both face-to-face and online. Our expert trainers bring real-world experience, ensuring you gain practical, applicable skills. Power BI evolves fast, and so do we. STL invests in continuous development to ensure our trainers keep every course current and relevant. Ready to elevate your Power BI skills? Visit our website to explore our courses, book your spot, or contact our friendly support team. STL, where training meets impact.